Today I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to show you how to make your old plastic look close to new. It ain't going to make it 100%, but it's going to make it look pretty dang good. That's just an old roof for a side-by-side. It's just, well, you can see it's gray. All you need is a torch. Get a torch, and you just start going back and forth. Nice even move, nice even lines like that, real slow. You get the picture. But I washed this whole thing off. I scrubbed it all off real good before I started, before I started torching it. If you don't clean it really good, then you'll melt all the little dirt pieces inside the roof of it. But if you keep going, it'll come out really nice. Nice even passes like this. Don't stay in one spot too long because it'll burn it. See how nice it came out. Let me get a little closer. Get it up there a little closer for you guys so you can see it. You see it didn't burn it. Just slowly take your time and do it right, But and when you get done with this, what I like to do, I take Armor All brand No Touch Tire Care, and I will spray this any plastics I have like that. When I'm done doing this, I'll spray it all off really good with that. And I'll just leave it sit on there. And I'll put it on there, one day, and then I'll come back the next day. I'll put it on there again, and I'll let it soak in there for about a week because it actually soaks down deep down inside. And this thing will look dang near brand new, and it'll actually stay that way, for a long time. If you don't keep it sitting out in the sun every single day, it'll stay like that if you park it in your garage and you just take it out every now and again here and there. It'll look like new for, as long as you take care of it. But yeah, that's how I bring all these plastics back to life. And I'm actually working on this old beater right here. And it's, I bought it with a bad engine. And I just kind of throwing it together. I got to hook up some linkage. I found a Predator engine I'm putting in it. And I found some nice brand new used tires for it that are for $100 online. So we're just going to throw this old beater together, and it'll be nice for just a yard beater, to throw junk in and, make it work good. So, anyway, that's the unit right there. And it was rough when I got it. And when I say rough, it was rough. But I don't know why, but I like to fix up junk. I'll get some pictures of it maybe later on when I get it done, or maybe I'll, make a couple more videos of some progress or whatever I decide I'm going to do with this thing. So, but hey, you guys, thanks for watching my channel, and hey, have a good holiday season. Bye.